Hello friends, welcome to today's video by FinLiterate. So let's start with our discussion on how Nifty and Bank Nifty moves and our discussion for expiry day analysis. So कल expiry है, so every expiry I keep repeating the same thing. Market can be volatile and कोई भी delta move आएगा किसी भी side, so there can be a huge loss on options trading. So try avoiding options trading on expiry day. Either it can go to zero if you are a buyer, and in case you are a seller and if move comes against you, then all your stop losses will be triggered. So keeping that in mind, Nifty today opened gap up, made around 17,220 and closed at around day's low. So I said yesterday that anything above the day high can lead to 17,180 and above that can do 17,200, 220. It couldn't go till 17,250, but 220 से U-turn लेके it almost closed near day's low. So discussing how it moved on a daily basis is basically Nifty ने कल का जो हाई था basically 17,150 इसके ऊपर खोला और उसके बाद 17,220 तक it tried to move. After that it came down again, it went up and then finally it broke down when it closed convincingly above the day's low. So what exactly happened? Market एक range में था पूरा दिन and then in the second half it just broke down. So levels for tomorrow are, in case Nifty breaks today's low, which is around 17,030, we can see levels of around 16,900, 16,800 again, which is our ultimate support. Anything below that, then market may correct a little more towards 16,400. Anything opening above around 17,100 can lead to 17,150, and above 150 we can see levels of around 200, 220. So this is the range. Nifty, if breaks around 17,080, 17,100, we can see levels of around 17,150 and 17,200. Anything below today's low, if it sustains for some time, then we can again see levels of 16,900. The fall which came in the last half an hour seemed pretty steep, and if that momentum continues, we can again see Nifty testing 16,900, 16,800 levels. So be careful on the downside, and on the upside 17,150 to 17,200. So ये हमारा निफ्टी का levels है. Coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has broken 37,500, or I would say could not break out around above 37,500. It went up, opened gap up around 37,620, made high of around 37,700, but उसमें कुछ opportunity I don't think so मिला है, and closed at around days low. So seeing a shorter time frame, I would say gap up खुला, sustain किया, high मारा, but then it couldn't sustain. It tried to take support at around 37,500 levels, but नहीं ले पाया और पूरा दिन lower high lower low बनाते गया, and finally when it broke down around 37,500, 480 levels, we saw a good 150 point move. So again, anything below 37,300 right now can open doors for around 37,100, 37,000, 36,900. So this is my level which I mentioned yesterday also. Anything about 37,500, and if it sustains, it can again go to 37,700, 37,800. So these are the levels in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty tried to sustain today, बहुत sideways move किया, but ये जो breakout है around 37,500 उसके ऊपर sustain नहीं किया, and the last steep move of half an hour took it below 37,500. So take 37,500 as a good resistance. Below that we can see levels of 37,100 to 36,900. Anything above it can again see levels of 37,700 to 37,800. Right? So these are our levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Discussing our stocks which we used to do every day. Same, I am still long on Tata Consumer. It has given good move from last few days. आज का लो 730 था. My target is around 740, 745. But अभी entry is not recommended. Entry was around 690, 700 जो हम लोगों ने 15-16 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस रखा था. Next is Britannia Industries. Again it is around 3,500. I see levels of 3,550, and above that we can see 3,600, 3,650 as well. Again, no entry recommended right now. These are positions which we had discussed. Reliance, I'm still watching this stock. I have no positions in this yet. Anything around 2460, I'll be shorting it if it pulls back from there. Anything near 2300, I'll go long because it has been a support since quite some time. And the last stock is Tata Motors. Yesterday discussed kiya tha, it looks good. So you can still buy this. This is a good stock if it takes support around 470 levels for targets of around 500, 550 levels. Anything below 540 can give it a good move. So a swing of 470, 460 to 540 looks very good, and it has been doing that since quite some time after giving a good move from around 350 levels to 540 levels. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है. इन केस ब्रेकआउट आया ऊपर की तरफ, इट कैन बी अ गुड मूव बिकॉज कंसोलिडेशन अच्छा खासा हो रहा है. सो दिस स्टॉक लुक्स गुड फॉर लॉन्ग. एनीथिंग बिलो 460 can give way to 440 or 440 435 break हुआ, then we can see more downside, but that we'll discuss when time comes. So these are the 4 stocks which I'm continuously tracking and holding, and our views on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Keep stop losses in place. Expiry day है, don't over trade, and position sizing अच्छे से बना के रखिएगा. So let's meet tomorrow again and we'll discuss how the market has done. Thank you guys.